Hello friends, welcome to this session. In this session I will show you how to install Docker, and after install we will check the Docker status, and in next step we will pull the image from Docker Hub and run that image and create a container. So let me show you my terminal. It's EC2 machine created from Amazon, and on right hand side you are seeing some basic commands to install the Docker and install its dependencies. So here all the commands, and let me run my first command, sudo su login with root user. Now the next command is we have to install the packages of Red Hat machine. So here is the command sudo yum update y. So all the packages will be update or new packages will be installed using this command. So it will take some time because the packages are very in big size. So it's installed successfully. Now we have to execute our second command. Let me clear the screen first, and here we have to install the dependencies which is required by Docker. So it is first we have to resolve it, and after that we will install Docker. So all the dependencies should be resolved here, and now we have to run our next command to create a or download a repo file from the CentOS Docker website. Now we have to install the Docker command, run the Docker command, sorry. Here it is, you can see. It will also take some time to install the Docker. It is taking too much time to install the Docker. My internet speed is having slow, that's why it's taking time. So after that we will check the Docker status. Is it running? We will check first we will start the Docker, and after that we will check the Docker status. And here it's download successfully. Let me clear the screen first. So there was not any error, so we can skip this command. Basically it skip the some packages, try to install the Docker. So now the next command is start the Docker, systemctl start Docker, and now we have to check the Docker status. Is it running or not? Yeah, it's running successfully. You can see active running. So Docker is running now, you can see. So on the right side I have also some commands to check the Docker images and pull the Docker image from the Docker hubs. Here you can see we don't have any Docker image, it is empty table. So first we will pull the image from the Docker hub. So let me pull first Docker pull and your image name. So it should be you can go to Docker Hub website and you can check what images are there, and the same image you can run download pull here. So it's downloading Docker pull CentOS. It's downloading. Yeah, it's downloaded successfully, you can see. Now here it is, you can see one image in my Docker. So it's CentOS image. Now we will and create a container using CentOS image. It is docker run -it your image name space /bin/bash. So you will enter to the container, or basically you will create a container using this command. So you basically enter to the container. So in this container you can do anything what you want. You can create file, you can install any packages, you can install anything else. So basically you have entered into the container, so it will not affect on your external environment, external OS. So I will on the right side I will all the command paste into the YouTube descriptions. You can copy from there. Thank you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.